In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Tangem wallets. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. Let's quickly do the unboxing so I can show you these awesome wallets before we talk about them even more. So this is how the wallets were delivered. I'm simply going to cut this so we can see what we got inside. Awesome. We're about to open this. Let's see if there's anything in here. Now just the order confirmation. Put that to the side. And now let's quickly open this box as well. And here they are. Awesome. As you can see, it comes with 3 different wallets. When you order them, you can choose between a 2-pack or a 3-pack. Personally, the more, the better. Let's put this to the side. And this is how they look like. They simply look like credit cards. They have the same feel and weight as a regular credit card. I will be doing a full review on these wallets later on in the week. And now let's quickly do an overview of the Tangem wallet. The Tangem wallet lets you store your crypto assets secure and easily accessible while keeping your private keys contained in your card. As we have all learned over the last couple of months, the safest way to store your crypto is if you control your private keys. If you are keeping your crypto on exchanges, you are exposing yourself to even more risk. Risk of scams, risk of frauds, risk of the exchange going completely bankrupt and taking all your crypto. The best way is to control your private keys. If you have your private keys, you have your crypto. With the Tangem wallet, you can connect up to 3 different cards to one wallet. So if one of your cards gets stolen or gets damaged or burns in a fire, your crypto will be safe. Also, you'll be able to put a passcode on each of these wallets. That way, if someone steals your card and tries to access your crypto, they won't be able to because they do not have the password. You can also link them together. That way you can have even more protection. But one thing that makes the Tangem wallet different from others is the amount of different cryptocurrencies you can store. I know on some hardware wallets, you can store like 10, 20, 30 different cryptocurrencies. With the Tangem wallet, you can store over 2,000 different cryptos, which in my opinion is definitely a big plus. Also, the Tangem is DeFi compatible. You can use it to buy NFTs, make loans, make deposits in more than 100 decentralized applications with the help of Wallet Connect, such as Uniswap, OpenSea, Compound, Aave, Curve, 1inch, and a ton of other ones. And all you need is a phone and these cards. One other thing that makes these cards interesting is that all of them have a chip inside of them. Pretty much a mini computer that keeps your private keys secure. This is the same type of chip used in passports and credit cards. So they are very, very secure. Also, the Tangem wallets are very reasonably priced. For a pack of 3 cards, it is only $55.90. Pack of 2 is $43.90. Also, for all of my subscribers, I was able to secure a discount code. So if you are interested in purchasing these, you can use the code TCM and you'll get an additional 10% off. So if you want to buy these, link will be in the description box below. And when it comes to crypto, it is better to be safe than sorry. That is why I recommend taking your crypto off of these exchanges. Keep a little bit on for day trading and stuff like that, but the majority of it, I would not keep on any exchange. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe. I will be testing these wallets out and I will be doing a full review on them later on in the week. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. And as always, not financial advice, do your own research. See you in the next video. Peace out.